Welcome back. Adding a border to every page in Microsoft Word is a quick way to give your document a professional or decorative finish. So whether you are working on a flyer or a formal report or a certificate, here is how you get it done. So double click the very top of the page to open the header and footer view. Let me zoom out and I have 5 pages over here. Then go to the insert and click on the shapes and pick a rectangle shapes. Now draw the rectangle to cover the entire page. This will instantly cover all the pages. Now go to the shape, format and click on the shape fill and select the no fill. Go to the shape outline and select the color of your choice. For example, I select the purple color. Click again and select the weight. For example, 21 by 4 pt, and you can select the dashes if you want to. And now go to the wrap text and click on the behind text. And now double click back to the main body of the document. Now that is the shape permanent borders on every page. So this way you can easily insert, add border in Word in all pages. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.